Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You might have forgotten me already, but I'm just reminding you guys that my name is Kenny Fortaleza and I do luxury videos, bag reviews, and free love shopping. If you're inclined to these videos, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video. But I've been MIA for maybe more than 2 months. We were moving into our new place, hence the new background, and I've been thinking of doing the whole vlog thing of moving, but I just want to savor the moment and just not to share everything in here. And yeah, this 2020 has been a roller coaster, I think, for everyone, but I'm very grateful to be in this position that we are on right now, and I'm very thankful. I'm so thankful, very grateful for everything that we have right now, and I'm also thankful that we are out of lockdown here in Melbourne. And yeah, and also in this video I'll be revealing 3 new to me Louis Vuitton bags that I have acquired throughout the time that I've been missing. And so if you are interested, then please continue watching. So I think I'll be moving on with the bags, and then I'll be giving more information or updates of how I am and how I'm going. So I'm not keeping all of these 3 bags. The first one is this very rare vintage Louis Vuitton. It's like a vertical flap. I feel like this flap bag is, I think there is a newer version, kind of like a petite malle, but a bit softer. And it's in the damier ebene print. And I think you can't really fit a lot of it in here. I have tried, and it's just kind of, it's a bit of a messenger style bag with the leather trim, and yeah, that's the bag. It has like a PVC clear plastic, which I think you can pop your passport in here or whatever documents. But this bag, I think you can't really fit a lot of things in here. I'm thinking this is a perfect travel kind of bag because you've got your pen notches in there. You can slip it in here, maybe your passport or your tickets in there, and one more pocket on here. And yeah, due to its very it's malleable kind of, but the gusset here is leather. It just doesn't give a lot, so maybe you can fit a phone perfectly in there. That's an iPhone 10, but otherwise I'm thinking maybe a small sanitizer gel, and I'm not sure what else you can put in here. Maybe a tissue or whatever, but it's a bit weird if you crossbody it. But yeah, by the way, I'm not keeping this bag. I got this for my dad. It was his birthday yesterday, so yeah, I'm sure he's going to love this. Let me just show you how that looks. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Not too shabby. But I just love and adore the damier ebene print. I love this print better than the monogram one, but yeah, I'm thinking you can also use this like a belt, maybe, perhaps, if you don't want to use this as this strap on this bag. You can put it whatever strap you wanted on it. But yeah, I absolutely love this piece. Very rare. I have seen this on some Japanese resellers selling for maybe 1,500 or just under that. But yeah, I'm so excited to give this to my dad. I'm sure he's gonna love it. And I just love that little like button, gold button in here. It just gives it a bit more like what? A bit more interest to otherwise a very just plain monogram. So that's the vertical flap. There's a name on it, but I've forgotten. Maybe I'll just pop it on the screen just for reference. So that's the first one. The next one is Miss Alma. The very classic Miss Alma. This is GM. Is there a GM or MM? I'm not sure. I have been MIA, so hence the lack of knowledge or whatever. But this one I'll be gifting to my mom. I was thinking maybe to get her a Speedy bag, but I thought that's the bag that most everyone has. So I'm thinking to get her the Alma because, you know, it's very structured. You can use it on some formal occasions maybe, but also it can be dressed down on casual occasions. And so, oh, there's someone ringing. Just one moment. So where were we? I'm not even sure. But yes, Miss Alma is going to my mom, and I'm pretty sure she's very excited about it. And as I have mentioned, I'm thinking because my mom she's going through a lot of like birthday parties and weddings. So I think this would be a perfect fit for all those occasions, and also this could be easily be dressed down when she goes to the shopping center, and maybe pop a little like shoulder strap in here and maybe put a twilly over it. So I mean, the shape or the condition of the vachetta is not too bad. It's a little bit crunchy on the handles, but I don't think I would mind that, or my mom would mind anyway. I'm thinking maybe put a twilly over it, and yeah, I just love, but I do appreciate the character of this bag. I don't want it to be like stark, like white bone color. I want it to be patinaed. I don't want my mom to be like stressing over it. And I didn't spray any like protective spray on it. I'm thinking to do one, but maybe I will before giving it to her. But she looks great, and I've acquired it through eBay from a private seller. Got it for more than 500 bucks, I think. And yeah, the handles were a little bit dark on here from maybe oil transfer. It's got a lock, but I don't have the keys for it. But yeah, I think I'm a bit impressed of how the condition is like on this bag. Excuse me. But she is a stunner, you know. Miss Alma is a classic, so yeah, she would stay in her wardrobe for forever. And I don't want my mom stressing over it and just using it for special occasions. I want her to use it every day if she can. So this is Miss Alma. And the last bag that would stay in my collection is this massive Louis Vuitton vanity case. I think it's called vanity case, and it's a vintage one in black epi leather, and it's got everything, you guys. It's got the strap that I can use for my other bags. I'm always thinking about that. It's got the luggage tag, and I think it's got the lock and keys as well. I mean, it's not perfect. It's not in 100% like perfect shape. It's got a lot of scratches all over it, but I don't mind it for the price that I have paid. But it features this Alcantara lining, I think, and a little bit of a mirror inside, which looks trashed. And it's got this like brush holder, I think, and from the inside that's what it looks like. And you could remember that I do have the cons bag before, which I have sold, and I regretted that decision. That's why I tried to track down another cons bag, but they were very expensive. And so when I found this, I thought, why not, you know? And I can put my wallets in here, and perfumes maybe if I'll be going on a travel. And it's got this contraption in here that maybe I can pop a bottle of perfume and whatnots. And yeah, I just love this, and I wish I could have the Boyd pharmacy. I just want to shout out Daniel. That's on his wish list for a long time, but they're quite expensive as well. But it's a good, like a stunner piece and a coffee table or in your wardrobe, just sitting in there pretty. But I do use. I'll just zip it up. I don't think I can use this on an everyday because it's too massive unless I'm going on a travel. But I just love to put this on my wardrobe or on my wardrobe. You guys, I might do just a wardrobe tool because I have my IKEA pack system set up now, and yeah, if you guys are interested, then let me know. I might just do it anyway. But I got this from eBay, by the way, guys, and I got this over 2 months ago, and I was hesitant to share it because I'm not 100% if I should keep it, but obviously I did keep it. And yeah, one thing that made me really purchase it because it's got all of the accessories. It's got the luggage tag, it's got the strap in there, it's got the lock-in case, and although there's like a scratch on top, I didn't mind that because it's got all the accessories that comes with a vanity case, and it's just got that little minimal LV logo over it in here. So yeah, I'm still lusting after the blue Epi cons bag, the vintage version, but they're like $1,700, which is like, I don't think I would like shell out $1,700 for a vintage item like that. But I am happy with this one. So that is everything with my luxury purchase, and I'm not going like so overboard from now on because we're on a new home. We're furnishing the home, and so there's a lot of expenses on the way. And you know, I wanted a Chanel bag, I wanted a gray flap, but I'll be saving a little bit of money on every month for that, and I'm not actively or obsessively looking for a gray Chanel flap, but if it comes, it comes. And if I've got the money or if I've got the funds, then let's do it. But yes, guys, I just want to keep you on the loop of what's happening in my life as well. My partner didn't want me to do all this like vlog thing, that's why I didn't as well. I didn't do it. But I'll be happy to share my wardrobe, guys, because I'm set up everything. And so yeah, I'm very excited to share that with you guys. And thank you so much for watching my video, this video, and coming back and still knowing me. Thank you so much, you guys. And yeah, I've missed you so much. What? I've run out of words to say. I do love you guys, and I'm happy to be back here. And yeah, I have a few like video ideas, maybe a bag review on some other bags that I have not reviewed yet, or a comparison video. So yeah, I am so pleased to see you guys and to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.